What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the Legend car. We last left off taking apart our spindles and hubs, and I soon found out that the bolts we previously used were the incorrect thread pitch for our spindles. These are metric threads, and what was in them were standard bolts. So we ordered a spare set of hubs, as well as new fresh brake rotors, some plugs, and some plug wires. We also ended up spending a day going up to Denver to pick up ourselves a spare motor, just because I'm not 100% confident in the one that we have, and this one was pretty cheap, so I figured if it works for us, then good. It was advertised as a 6-nighter, but it hasn't been raced in quite some time. Not really sure that I believe it was a 6-nighter, but it was priced cheap enough to where if it doesn't work out for us, it's not a huge loss. We obviously still have a lot of work to do on the car and not a lot of time to do it. I've thrown my seat in here very loosely right now, just to get it off the floor and out of the way right now so we can have some room. I know the garage is kind of quite the mess right now, but hopefully as we start to piece our car back together here, it'll start to clean itself up, and hopefully it doesn't take us too much longer, because April 8th is coming up quick and it's already halfway through March. Joint centering tools. You got one that's a little flat edge right there in the center of it, and then right over here one with a little point. These are incredible for finding the center of these eyes and seeing our total length here. You can see on this one we are 1/16 shy of 14 inches, so 13 and 15/16. And all you gotta do is hook this stuff onto the new stuff and then measure that one, figure out what it's at, and then adjust it. It's really easy to at least get all of your old setup stuff repeatable to where you can do it over and over. So as we're wrapping up here for the weekend, we're gonna go over what we just did. Got all of our full front suspension here finished up. Got everything mocked up, ready to be lowered onto the ground. Next video, we'll take care of our brake calipers, hopefully. Got both of our door cards mounted back up, as well as our seat officially in the car and bolted down. Belts bolted in as well and over the shoulders. We're pretty much almost done. All we have left to do is run our fuel line and fuel pump through our tubing here all the way up to the front, get our refurbished motor thrown into the car, move everything over from our old motor to our new one, since this one has the blue plate and the one we just picked up does not. We've also sent our shocks out to someone here in Denver, getting them dyno dynoed up and getting our spring rates checked. Like I said, not a ton left to do. I want to get the body mounted here soon as well so that we can get to our tires and get the new ones mounted, get these federals pulled off. We got to go through and get tabs done on our bumpers as well. These ones are a little bit bent out of shape. But other than that, things have been going pretty smoothly. Hopefully they continue to go just as smooth for the rest of it. Not a lot left. Like I said, we're in mid-March and April 8th is coming pretty soon. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hope to catch you in the next one.